Here's what we're going to do. There is no 3D polygon in Fusion, so we're going to make one. For this, let's take a ribbon 3D. It is a set of parallel lines of which we keep only one. The subdivisions fix the number of vertices, which will be our points. The polygon will be drawn between a starting point and an ending point positioned in X, Y, and Z. To keep the symmetry, we make end X equals start X. The materialization of the points will be done with spheres and a replicate 3D. Let's take a sphere instead. The application of a function will go through a custom vertex. It's scary, but it's simple. We find the positions X and Y of our points, and we will modify Y according to X. Let's move on to a more elaborate formula, a sinusoid. Like all custom tools, angles are expressed in degrees. The display is immediate. N1 will be the frequency. If N1 is an integer, the curve will start and arrive at the same Y value. N2 will be the phase. N3 will be the amplitude. We will use a Bender 3D to distort the sinusoid. We could have done everything in the custom vertex. We can do fun things. But let's stay with the cylinder. If amount is equal to 1, the cylinder is closed. And if the frequency is an integer, the joined curve. The Bender 3D bends the shape from its center. This can be clearly seen in the quad view. The goal of the game is to center the shape and the pivot on point 0 in 3D space. We remember the dimensions of our ribbon, the length of which is 2. We will use the sphere to materialize the center. We're going to move back -1/pi. And move the pivot forward that much. After a few typos, we get there. We can also use expressions to calculate R as a function of the ribbon. There you go, finally, the rotation will be perfect. Reflex. I turn on the Y-axis so I choose an order that starts with Y. Let's return to our Replicate 3D. We will set up the animations with anim curves, but they can be keyframes or expressions. We can go further with the custom vertex. If you're interested, ask. All that remains is to add glow, color and lights according to taste.